Hey everybody, my name is Jarek. I'm CEO and founder of Distro. We make wood wall decor that anyone can sell online without inventory. Like this amazing walnut bear, which is a personal favorite of my son's. It's hanging in his room right now. We also are going to be selling this mountain design, which is amazing. You can go in a kid's room. This is the maple version. You can see it's the lighter color wood. We have a few other designs. But what I really wanted to do is I wanted to start this video series where we can actually design products together. So if you have any design ideas of products that you want to sell in your store, you let me know, and we'll actually I'll go ahead and design it right here, and I'll post a video and end up putting it in our catalog. So to give you a little bit of an idea of how it works, so if you're familiar with print on demand, it's kind of how it works. You can add these products to your stores, connect your Shopify store, import them with a click, and then when orders come in, we make, pack, and ship them right to your customers. And when we ship them with some Velcro strips, which is by far the easiest way to attach these. They're very sturdy and super easy to install. They're foolproof. We make them in high quality materials like this amazing walnut, as you saw with the bear, walnut plywood and maple plywood. People absolutely love walnut plywood, and I don't blame them. I love it too. Our products are also made in America, so we have a network of makers from across the U.S., including myself, who will be helping produce these products and shipping them right to your customers. And if you want to sign up for early access right now, you can go sign up at distromade.com/products. We will be launching in the next couple of weeks. But like I said, I think this is a great time to start this video series. I think people are really going to like it. And let me know what you want to sell, and I'll go ahead and design it and then post these videos and add them to our catalog. So thanks, like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to sell for designs, and I'll go ahead and design them for you. Thanks.